so many smartphones flooding the market, finding one that's both reliable and budget-friendly is getting harder by the day. So how do you pick the right one? Well, the Honor 500 Pro, one of the top recommendations under 3,000 yuan or about 320 pounds, might just be the answer. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The moment you tap the display, you'll notice how incredibly slim the bezels are on the left and right, just 1.05 millimeters. The entire Honor 500 lineup goes for a flat screen look with larger rounded corners and super narrow borders, giving the front a clean, premium appearance. It also features an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, which is noticeably quicker than the usual optical ones, and its placement is perfect for unlocking with your thumb. The frame has been upgraded too. The brushed metal sides and chamfered edges give the phone a smooth, refined feel in the hand. Honor has also added a brand new AI button on the side. It's not a physical button you can press, but it offers haptic feedback. In normal mode, it launches the UU AI assistant, and when you're in the camera app, it works as a shutter button or zoom control, again with that subtle vibration feedback. Flip the phone over and you'll see a unibody cold dry finish along with the iconic DACO module. The DACO blends seamlessly into the back panel, giving it a very high-end look. The horizontally arranged LEDs are also a thoughtful touch. They work better in portrait mode by avoiding glare, and in landscape mode, your fingers naturally rest on them, almost like holding a mini game controller. The grip is solid, the phone sits flat on a table without wobbling, and the matte surface keeps fingerprints away while feeling smooth and classy. So what do you think? Does the Honor 500's design stand out to you? It also comes with IP68, IP69, and even IP69K dust and water resistance. That means you can watch videos in the bathroom, accidentally splash it, or even hit it with high-pressure water jets without worry. It really boosts durability and adds peace of mind for everyday use. Of course, keep in mind that waterproof doesn't include bare hands in certain extreme tests, but Honor has optimized the screen for wet hand usage so the touch response stays fast even when your fingers are damp. Inside, the Honor 500 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, delivering excellent performance and smooth operation across the board. Thanks to the Pro model's Vulkan graphics engine, scrolling through photos feels incredibly fluid. And Honor's Phantom Engine 3.0 uses AI to optimize frame rates and rendering in games, making gameplay super stable and helping you secure those easy wins. Now that we've covered design and performance, let's talk about something just as important for everyday life: camera quality. The Honor 500 Pro's imaging setup is impressive for its price. It features a wide-angle, ultra-wide, and telephoto combo, with the main camera using Samsung's 200-megapixel 1.4-inch sensor. Honor's image processing this time is surprisingly strong. Both the front and rear cameras support live portrait mode, offering great skin texture, natural beautification, and clean edge detection for portrait bokeh. You also get dynamic live photos, which I personally love because they help capture those perfect moments. Sometimes you press the shutter and the subject blinks or freezes. Normally that ruins the shot, but now you can scrub through the live image to select the best frame. It's a lifesaver for fixing bad shots and makes your photos feel fuller and more alive, helping you snap great pictures anytime, anywhere. When you pair this with the animated object removal feature, the phone can instantly clear out random passersby from your live photos, giving you a clean final shot. And honestly, the results look really impressive during actual use. If you're someone who loves that vintage film vibe, Honor has added 6 new film-style color modes this time. Let's take a look at how they turn out. Honor's film effects aren't overly heavy or artificial, but they add a fun, cinematic mood to your shots, making them feel more expressive. Take this example. This picture was taken by the river, but once you switch on the film mode, it suddenly feels like a beach photo. That's the power of its color science. Because smartphone cameras have physical limits, so much of the final result comes down to a brand's imaging algorithms and creative features. This live feature, which breaks the frame, can combine live photos and mirrored images into one composite shot. It can even automatically cut out people or pets and place them into the scene. It's genuinely entertaining to use. The Yundan AICG portrait effect also gets a noticeable upgrade. With the help of cloud algorithms, the transitions between light and shadow look more natural, the skin texture is handled more delicately, and the background blur feels richer and more atmospheric. In night portraits or scenes with lots of bokeh, the subject really stands out. Image stabilization has also been improved, increasing the success rate of handheld photos in low-light situations. And compared with the iPhone, you can clearly see that in certain conditions, the Honor 500 captures brighter shots with more visible detail. Honor's imaging-focused phones have consistently delivered, each generation introducing new features, upgraded algorithms, and meaningful improvements. Now that we've covered the camera, let's move on to the software experience. When you think of Honor's system, what comes to mind first? That's right, the UU app. This time, its abilities have been taken even further. The new UU really feels like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Pressing the AI button activates UU, and it can instantly identify what's in your camera viewfinder, even giving you answers just by snapping a photo. It can list step-by-step instructions too, which is extremely helpful for students. UU memory can save tiny moments from daily life, things you'd normally forget. For example, in a large mall parking lot, you can ask it to remember your parking spot, and it'll guide you right back when you need it. You can also edit photos with multiple commands. One simple sentence is all it takes to apply the edits you want. There's also a new AI eye-tracking page-turning feature that works with mainstream reading apps. All you need to do is read normally, and your phone will automatically flip the page, helping you stay focused on the content. Honor continues to take eye protection seriously. The Honor 500 Pro comes with a 1.5K Oasis eye protection screen featuring 3840Hz ultra-high frequency dimming, making the OLED display more comfortable and reducing tearing. This time, Honor's eye care upgrade goes beyond the screen itself. It now actively monitors your environment. The lighting detection feature honestly surprised me. It works like a professional flicker detector, warning you when the lighting around you is too harsh or unstable. For example, there's an LED strip in my home that always strains my eyes. When I tested it with the phone, it immediately flagged the flicker. No wonder it was uncomfortable. This time, Honor also offers seamless connectivity with Apple devices. iPhones can transfer files directly to Honor phones with a single tap. Once paired, your iPhone notifications can even appear on the Honor phone, so you don't need to keep switching between devices while you're out. It also links with Macs. You can share your Honor screen to your Mac effortlessly. Whether you're watching short videos or using WeChat, the experience stays smooth, and you can drag files straight from your Mac onto the phone's window for quick transfers. It's incredibly convenient. The horizontal camera layout also makes room for a much larger battery at the bottom. The Honor 500 Pro fits an enormous 8,000 mAh battery while keeping a standard overall weight. Combined with Honor's excellent power-saving optimizations, the phone can easily last 2 days on a single charge. And the battery even doubles as a power bank, offering up to 27 watts reverse charging for iPhones. That's one of the biggest reasons it's such a strong recommendation in the roughly £320 or $425 price range. Overall, the Honor 500 Pro performs exceptionally well across the board. As an AI-powered device, it brings long-term improvements to daily life through smart, practical features. Like I said at the start, I'm not chasing extreme performance or industry-leading camera specs. I just want a phone that looks good, works reliably, and lasts a long time. And at this price, the Honor 500 Pro delivers outstanding value. So what would you choose? Let me know in the comments. And that wraps up today's video. For more awesome tech content, make sure you hit subscribe and join our tech family. See you in the next one.